In today's video, I'll show you how to create an artistic opening where paint strokes cross over the screen diagonally and reveal your video in a bold and creative way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find criss-cross paint, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, diagonal paint strokes sweep across the screen, revealing the video underneath with layered motion. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how energetic the paint movement feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal fast and bold. Longer duration slows it down, adding cinematic texture. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the paint strokes feel balanced. And that's it. You've successfully added a criss-cross paint reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut mobile animation tutorials.